Thanksgiving at Holy Trinity Catholic Church, Maitama. We have come today to thank God for everything God has done, for them throughout this campaign season and throughout the legal fight. They have put up a big fight. They have actually done their best. They are waiting for judgment. For as humans, they have done what is due. They have done what is humanly possible. Now today they have come to thank God for His grace and for His favors so far. This LP legal team, throughout the days, weeks and months, they have done all the legal battle. They have presented the case as they deem fit. They brought evidence upon evidence, document upon document, witness upon witness to prove this case. It is believed that election petitions are very difficult to prove, but this case is going to be a novel one because this team has done everything humanly possible to make sure they bring justice home. And it is believed, and we know that LP won this election. And when they asked them to go to court, they went to court and they did everything possible. Nigerians know, everybody on the streets knows that this legal team have done their best. LP won the election and the legal team has done their best to prove it in court. Today they've come to God to say, God, we have done the one that is humanly possible. But today we are bringing all thanks to you. We are saying, we are giving everything on your altar and the knees on your knees, and we are saying and they are praying today that God, give us justice in this case, give them justice in this case. Whatever shortcoming they have had as humans, God, they have said, come and give them justice, because you are the God of all, you're God of justice. The Bible says, whatever thou shalt say in my name, that I will do. Today we are saying, God, give us justice. And the Bible says, it shall come to pass in that day that this burden shall be lifted off our neck and this yoke off our shoulder. Let the yoke of injustice be lifted up against us in this case. And at the end of the day, let the people of Nigeria rejoice, because justice has come to reign. They have come to pray today, and it is our belief that God of justice will hear our prayer. And we say, Amen. Amen. Thank you so much.
Ifana wana tia wananya, imaniji ifana wana tia wananya. Ifana wana tia wananya, itobi we putano, Nigeria we mureba. Itobi we putano, corruption no balaga. Itobi we putano, Nigeria we mureba. Itobi we join the no Labour Party gawabia. Papa mama people forward ever. Labour Party is forward ever. Obi-Datti is forward ever. Obi-Datti is forward ever. Be obedient to, be obedient to, be obedient to, and use flow. Be obedient to, be obedient to, be obedient to, and use flow. The man is a world creator. Now you will need to build a great nation. Now he go come out us for consumption, put us for production. We go forget our tribulation. We go see some God jubilation. Resurrect our education. Give us a better constitution. Ifana Bonanti Abananya. Ifana Bonanti Abananya. Emaniji Ifana Bonanti Abananya. Ifana Bonanti Abananya. Tito be we putano. Nigeria we mureba. Tito be we putano. Corruption ubalaga. Tito be we putano. Nigeria we mureba. Tito be we join. Zeno Labour Party Lavavia. Papa mama begin forward ever. Labour Party is there forward ever. Obi-Datti is there forward ever. Obi-Datti is there forward ever. Be obedient to, be obedient to, be obedient to, and use flow. Be obedient to, be obedient to, be obedient to, and use flow. Dr. Money Dibiegu wa nonewu. Dr. Money Dibiegu wa onyewu. Yeah. Nigeria needs me to be real. Don't get it twisted. Coalition for P2B. I go for P2B support network. I'm listening. Syria.